Welcome to Techie Dialogue. Today, we're walking you through step-by-step instructions on how to open JSON file, but before we dive into the details, don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more insightful tech tips. Step 1. Find the JSON file on your desktop or wherever it's stored. Once you locate it, right-click on the file. Step 2. In the menu that appears, click on Open With and choose Notepad from the options. Your JSON file will now open in Notepad, allowing you to view or edit its contents. Step 3. Another way to open your JSON file is by first launching Notepad. Once the Notepad window is open, click on File in the top menu bar. Step 4. Select Open from the drop-down. A dialog box will appear. Use this to browse through your computer to locate the JSON file. Once you find it, select the file and click the Open button. Your JSON file will now be displayed in Notepad. And that's it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more updates.